In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to integrate PayU with Shopify. First, make sure you already have an active PayU merchant account. Once approved, keep your merchant key and salt ready. Now, log into your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then Payments. Scroll to Third-Party Payment Providers and click Add Payment Method. Search for PayU and select it. Enter your PayU merchant key and salt, choose the production environment, and click Save to activate PayU. If PayU doesn't appear in your region, you can still connect it using a third-party PayU connector app that supports redirection checkout. After setup, place a test order to confirm everything works correctly. Once done, your customers will see PayU at checkout and can pay using UPI, cards, or net banking. And that's how you integrate PayU with Shopify. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.